Welcome to Attari Classes. Imagine you are sending a file to the printer. Does everyone receive it? No. Then who takes care? The file goes to the printer, and that is the switch. So in today's interview question series, we will be learning a very important device, and the name of the device is switch. A switch connects multiple devices in the same network. That is the main job of the switch, to connect multiple devices in the same network, in the LAN. And switch is an L2 device. L2 device means what? It works on MAC address. Now, every device like computer, printers, they have their own MAC address, which is a unique address, which is given by the manufacturer. For example, if you buy a laptop from HP, HP will give you a unique address that is known as the MAC address, and this MAC address is used by the switch. So the switch says that I create a special table, which is the brain of the switch, which is known as the MAC table. And using the MAC table, the switch knows that on which port number, which device is there. It notes down that devices, that computers, that printers, MAC address, where in the MAC table. The way, for example, in your building, you have a security guard. Security guard knows that on which room number, which person is there. They have a complete list. That on which room number, which person is there. Similarly, the MAC table is there, which is the brain of the switch, where the switch knows that on which port, which MAC address is there. Now, when you are sending a file to the printer, the switch checks its MAC table and forward that file to the printer only, not to everyone, because of the MAC table. Okay, so the switch is considered an intelligent device, a smart device. So my dear friend, coming back to the switch, a switch is a layer 2 device. The switch is used to connect the computers, the printers, the devices in the same network, and the switch has a special table known as the MAC table. Okay, and when we talk or when we compare switch with hub, hub is an outdated device. Hub is also known as an L1 device. It is gone. It is not used in today's world. But if hub was there, no, so then your printing request, printing data will, what the hub will do, it will forward to everyone. Everyone, every time hub will forward data to everyone, meaning everyone will receive the printing request, they will drop it, but they will receive it. Okay, but the switch is smart, the switch is intelligent, the switch will forward it to the correct port, to the printer port, the port on which the printer is connected. So coming back to our interview question slide, switch is a layer 2 device. Switch is used to connect multiple devices in a LAN. Switch use MAC address to forward data to correct device, and switch has a table, special table known as the MAC table. So my dear friends, I'd like to thank you. And for more information, you can go to our website, lms.attariclasses.in. You can go to the CCNA course, and you can get a deep knowledge about switches. Okay, so bye.